How to create parent items in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central to Shopify integration. The x2x eCommerce offers a functionality to just attach all existing items in Business Central to their respective parent item and upload them on store, rather than creating an item on Shopify store and defining its variants there. There is an x2x Shopify section in a main menu. Select Parent Items option from there. Once selected, the lists of all parent items appear. New parent item will be created with a New option. Define all the relevant details in an item card, options upon which variants are segregated. With the option Assign Variants available at the top, select products that are the child items of this parent. Once attached, the items appear in Child Item tab. In item card data, also populated in Parent Item Number field in x2x Shopify information section. When these items are uploaded, the product appears with its variants, which are 2 in this case. Still not sure if x2x eCommerce is the right solution for you? Reach out to our experts or visit our website to learn more.